Oh my God. So I'm doing Vlogmas day one. Listen, so this is just welcome to Vlogmas. I don't know at this point whether you guys have decided, because I'm filming this before the video even goes up, about asking about Vlogmas, but I've just kind of decided on my own that I'm going to go ahead and do it. And so I'm still taking requests for Vlogmas, but I wanted to make sure that I had a video for you day one for the next 25 or more days. Okay, you're gonna be getting a new video from your girl every day. Now, I listen. Okay, don't be messaging me halfway through talking about you got a video request, because you know your girl gonna have to pre-film some of these. Okay, but just know you gonna get a new video every single day, at least for the first 25 days of December, and then we'll see from there. But I wanted to come on, say happy Vlogmas. I'm filming this actually the day before Thanksgiving, so I'm really excited. But it's day one. We're doing this. I'm excited, but I'm a little nervous because I am going to conquer this. I'm going to make it all the way through Vlogmas. I need all of your encouragement. I need all of your love and support and kind words. But we gonna do this, girl. We gonna do this. We gonna do Vlogmas. And so I think by the time you've watched this video, I've talked about who was this woman and probably the underachieving overachiever. If I haven't done that video yet, it'll be in Vlogmas. And then I've also probably talked to you about what you want me to talk about in Vlogmas and how I'm thinking about doing like mini series throughout the month. So this is just my day one of Vlogmas. Welcome to the Evelyn Inc. version of Vlogmas. Maybe some vlogs, may just be us chatting it up, maybe some makeup tutorials. Maybe life, business, relationships, love, health, you name it. We gonna have a good time. And so I'm excited. This is me. I'm coming back to the YT. People don't even say that anymore, but I'm coming back to the YT in full force, giving you Vlogmas right off the bat. All right. Again, I'm really excited to be back. If y'all can't tell, like, I'm super excited. And I will see you tomorrow. Oh my gosh, tomorrow.